Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you OpenRA or Open Red Alert on the Raja Dragon Q6A, a Snapdragon SBC. So this is the website for OpenRA and you can build it from source, and I think they only have executables for x86. So yeah, you can try to build it from source, but there is also another possibility. And I know some people don't like snaps, but yeah, sometimes they can make life easier. So here you can see the snap page for OpenRA, and you can choose between different releases. So I went with the beta, and here is the instruction to install it. And if you don't have Snap, then there are instructions to do that. So as I said, I'm running with the Raja Dragon Q6A, Armbian 26.2, and I chose the Raja Dragon Q6A because it has a good OpenGL driver, and when I tried it on my RK3588 board, it picked OpenGL 4.5 running on the CPU, so performance was very slow. And yeah, if you want me to try to get it working properly on the Rockchip RK3588, then just tell me in the comments. But for now I was just too lazy and I just went with the Snap. Now, several of the Command and Conquer games have been donated to the public, so they are in public domain. So you can install like some extra music and some videos from the CDs or ISO images. But that means that you need to give the Snap access to removable media. And you can do it like that. So they do have the instructions to install the extra music and videos. So yeah, the instructions are a bit brief, and you also have to note that it will look for the ISO images in specific directories. So if, for instance, yeah, you have an ISO image and you mount it like this, then it won't mount in the correct directory, or at least the directory that OpenRA is looking. But someone was so kind to write it all out in detail. So you have to create the directory, and then yeah, depending on where you download it from, you need to have OpenRA installed. So here you can see where you can download the ISO images, extract them, and then mount one of the ISO images. And once you've installed it, then unmount it and proceed with the next one. So in this case I went with Red Alert. So the first time you start it, it will ask if you want to install the extra software. You don't have to do it immediately, because afterwards you can just go to manage content and you can ask to detect the media. So in this case, I have not installed the Soviet campaign yet, and we can do it just like this. And then we should be good to go. And yeah, I did try to switch the OpenGL profile to embedded on the Rockchip RK3588, but yeah, like I said, it's still picked OpenGL 4.5 running on the CPU, so yeah. But that's the advantage with the Racha Dragon Q6A with a OpenGL 4.6 driver. You can just run this game at a decent speed. So let's try the first mission. And yeah, I can show you that the videos are installed. And if you are not interested in the videos, I will put in the chapter timestamp so you can skip ahead.
Stop playing with that thing. I've just got to adjust this. Give me the sequence calculations. Now! They're already done. I wonder if it will be raining. Stand by. Herr Hitler.
Ja, was ist los? Ich habe keine Zeit, hier rumzustehen.
Ja, ich verstehe. Did you find him? Hitler is out of the way. Congratulations, Professor. With Hitler removed, time will tell.
Yeah,
Sooner or later, time will tell.
if you change history, you never know if you will end up in a better situation. So let's watch the briefing.
hours. Since then, nothing.
Perhaps Einstein escaped?
Too much to hope for, General. He would have contacted us by now. This is classified.
I know.
I sent for her.
General von Essling, she is a civilian.
That's why I don't get killed.
Commander, this is Tanya Adams, a professional volunteer. She will work with you on this mission. Somewhere inside this research center, the Soviets hold Albert Einstein. We need him back immediately. Get Tanya inside so she can get Einstein out. Once you have located him, bring him back to your drop-off point for immediate evacuation. Be careful. The base is heavily fortified, but not invincible.
Their weakness is power. Black out the base and nothing will stop you. Good luck.
So let's start the first mission.
Battle control initialized.
Reporting.
Of course. Objective not met.
At once. Agreed.
Unit lost.
Awaiting orders.
Unit lost.
Affirmative. Ready and waiting. Very well. Affirmative.
Objective lost. Mission failed.
Oh, oh dear. So, yeah. Tanya got into the oil well and then I was shooting at the oil well, so that was not a good idea. Anyway,
Battle control terminated.
it's good to see that we can run Command and Conquer Red Alert on ARM Linux. And yeah, I'm also in a way a bit surprised to see that they decided to give away the game for free to the public. And yeah, at least this gives the opportunity to a lot of people to still enjoy this game. I mean, of course you can see that it is an older game and it does show its age, but yeah, I think for a lot of people this can bring back some memories. And yeah, I think it's also considered one of the classics. So again, yeah, we'll try to see if I can get this working on more ARM SBCs. Perhaps, yeah, if we get a decent OpenGL driver on RISC-V, or that we can really force it to run with OpenGL ES, that it's also possible to run it on RISC-V, but that is something for the future. So, this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.